2 Chronicles 7:14. If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves, pray, seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, will forgive their sin, and heal their land. Din yung punta kila Abraham nung sa Sodom and Gomorrah, di ba? Sabi ni Lord kay Abraham, di ba? Dahil nakiusap ka, kung may 10 na righteous, hindi ko gigibain ang Sodom at Gomorrah. Ako'y naniniwala, sinasabi ng Panginoon, hindi ko gigibain ang Tagig dahil meron mga righteous na nasa Tagig. Ako'y naniniwala po, despite yung pinagdadaanan natin at despite po yung flood control, yung massive corruption, sinasabi ni Lord, maraming nagmamahal sa akin sa Pilipinas, kaya hindi ko gigibain ang Pilipinas. So ako'y naniniwala po, instead of us praying, sinagot na ni Lord. Sabi nung 3 nakaputi, I want you Taguigueños to know that the Lord of hosts is saying that you, my people, called on my name. You humbled yourself. You prayed. You sought my face. You turned from your wicked ways. Therefore, I want you to see how the land is being healed. Hindi, ang sinabi lang ni Lord, if all my people. So it doesn't matter kung 10 lang tayo. Kung 100 lang tayo, what matters is we are His people. We are obedient and we know who is on the throne.